Storm Shield forecast, only on Fox 47 News.
Well, I gotta be honest, today's weather made it so difficult to come into work, Caleb. It was just so warm and it was just perfect to be outside.
Yeah, it was one of those days. You kind of regret working on the weekends, you know, but it's yeah, we had a lot of warm days last week at least so that we could take advantage of. But next week, not so much. We're going to see a major shift in the pattern next week. Much cooler temperatures, lots of showery activity as well. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Right now outside the studio, partly cloudy skies and awfully mild. Our temperature is only at 71 degrees right now. It was an exceptional day for us here though across mid-Michigan. Our high temperature was 80 degrees, almost 12 degrees above average. Our low temperature also pretty well above average. This has just been a prolonged stretch of above or unseasonable warmth, and again it is looking to change as we head into the next work week. Right now our temperatures again on the mild side. We're at 72 in Elma, 71 Lansing and Charlotte, 70 degrees in Jackson, 68 in Hillsdale, 71 degrees down there in Adrian. Now our Doppler radar shows not a lot going on right now across Michigan at Part 4. Some increased cloudiness. Are dealing with some pretty good thunderstorms up in the upper peninsula. But off to the northwest, you see this area of low pressure that's lifting northeast. A cold front attached to that is going to move through tomorrow, and behind that, much cooler air is going to move in again and give us unseasonably cool temperatures next week. Today's highs, though, for us here in Lansing, we got to 80 degrees. Chicago was 79. Out to the west, everybody was in on the warmth. But notice up to the northwest, Fargo 69, Glendive 68, Rapid City 68. That's where the cold front has already moved through. So you can see where it has moved through much cooler temperatures. I'm going to show you how our temperatures kind of unfold moving through the next 24 hours. So overnight tonight, we stay very mild. Our low temperatures tonight only drop into the mid 60s. So a very warm night for us. But notice well out to the northwest, Glendive 51, that all those blues, that is coming this way. And you can see tomorrow that we're going to be ahead of that cold front. So our high is going to get warm, one more day of warmth. But west of that cold front, you can see all of these areas in green where those highs are only going to be in the 60s. And that's what we have to look forward to next week. Our temperature trend shows you we have one more day of the warmth. 78 degrees is what we're expecting for our high tomorrow. 63 on Monday. This is when we start to free fall a little bit. 60 on Tuesday. Into the 50s by Wednesday, and by the end of the work week into next weekend, we're expecting low or high temperatures where lows maybe should be in the low 50s. So much cooler air heading this way. Our future track forecast here. Moving through the overnight hours, will be partly to mostly cloudy. Again, we're going to stay on the mild side with a pretty gusty wind out of the southwest. Temperatures only getting down into the low 60s. Tomorrow, we see a good bit of cloud cover by the late afternoon, evening hours. We see this cold front move through. Not a lot of moisture to work with initially, but I think we do see some showers as that front moves through. Our high temperature, again, ahead of that front, getting into the mid to upper 70s. A better chance for rain is going to come Sunday night into Monday morning. Now, when we have this next batch come through, could see a couple rumbles of thunder as well. And notice a bit of a cooler start heading into Monday. We'll see our temperature starting off in the low to mid 50s. Monday, then, I think we see more in the way of showers, and this particular model is showing us. I think we're going to see showers through the day with temperatures on the cooler side again. Our high temperatures only getting into the mid to upper 60s. The forecast for tonight, 64 degrees for our low, mostly cloudy skies, nice breeze from the southwest, gusting to 25 miles per hour. For tomorrow, 78 degrees, one more day of the warmth. We do have those showers entering the forecast late in the day. And again, a warm and breezy day with us, winds shifting to the west behind that cold front, gusting to around 20 miles per hour. Now, the next 7 days, again, we're going to have this major pattern change for us. You can kind of see it here. This big dip in the jet stream is what's going to just unleash this cooler air out of Canada, and it's just going to dive right down through the Great Lakes region. So we're going to have, or that'll be the reason for our cool stretch of weather. And you can see how that kind of translates to our forecast. 60 degrees Tuesday, showers likely. The big takeaway next week is you pretty much just want to have an umbrella handy every day. Each day does feature a chance for showers. We have much cooler air moving over Lake Michigan. They'll touch off lake effect showers. That'll be the story through the week. Have the umbrella and the coat handy because temperatures continue to fall. By next Saturday, partly sunny skies, a high of 52, a low of 35. Partly sunny. It's not terrible for camping, but just on the cooler side. Nicole?
Thanks for calling me out again, Caleb.